It's me. How do I move? Oh, arrow keys. Okay, hold on. Hold on. It's been a hot minute. Z is jump. X is throw. Her. Hi everyone. It's been a hot minute since I've played video games. I think the last I recorded was before. Oh, leeches. No, I swim so good you cannot get me. No, I'm so good. What is that light fluctuation? Is that just... Oh my god, I got so scared. What are you? Can I grab you? I think last time I recorded... What's happening? I was either in the early stages of rehearsal for Blue Stockings or had just got cast in it. But now Blue Stockings is closed. It closed last weekend. May 5th was the final day. Where am I going? I was like I felt like such a good boy. Yeah, I'll go down this way. I'll go check out that freakish thing down there. Can I grab you? Can I eat you? I don't think I want you in my stomach, but I'll take you with me anyway, for the sake of it. Are you a thing I can eat? Eat. Allow me. Never mind. I should maybe not try and swim, but it's fine. We're gonna do it. And I'm auditioning for another show, my most favorite Shakespeare show in the whole wide world. 12th night. I'm very excited. I have a callback on Tuesday. But yeah, last time we talked was in, I think, either late February or early March. I think early March. A plant that I will consume. Oh, I have a stick. That's so exciting. And I was so proud of myself. I was able to like record and like edit and upload a bunch of videos. So if I haven't like been engaging with things being said, now you know why. It's because it was all recorded before. How do I jump? It was all recorded before. I can't do this. So can I eat? Oh god. No! No! That's not where I needed that stick to go. Oh, this is horrible. Oh, but I need to remember to jump. And today I'm making a silly mistake by recording when I'm very sleepy. Oh, and I have a little bed there, but I need to eat. I need to definitely eat before I go to sleep. Oh, a bat. Excellent. I need more. Oh, am I able to get up? I don't think I can. Can I? I can do very bad hopping. Oh no! I just know in my heart this would be easier with a controller, or at minimum, different keybinds. But it's fine. God has cursed me for my hubris, and I just have to aggressively key smash. Oh, look at that. I did it. No, there's leeches there. Can I get up? Is that... No. This is... I'm dying. Nope. I'm too big now. Drowned. Oh, but I ate the plant, so it's fine. And I did some reading as well, so I now know that this is karma. This little screen. Which is very exciting. And somebody said, I don't remember who, said I should try it. I don't know if it was quite befriending the little lizard creatures that I'm afraid of. But throwing like food or something at them. Oh god, there's leeches. I forgot about the leeches. You little guys. I'm gonna eat both of you. So that way I just have you. Yeah, get got. Let go of me. What? I climbed down into something. I will go up this time, because I went down last time. Oh, did I not pick up my stick? Did I lose my stick? I'm fascinated by these little eyeballs, and I want to try throwing things at it. I don't know if it did that by itself or if I scared it. Let go of me, leeches. I'm just going to stubbornly keep trotting on. And I know there were also a couple... Let me jump. Let me jump. Let me jump. Let me jump. Get off of me. I did a sick flip, but I don't know how. Oh yeah, look, I'm learning. I did it. Oh, some jumping. And I know my little guide usually points me in directions of needs, not necessarily always something helpful. A scavenger merchant? Hello? Hello, friend. You have a very nice home. I'm bad at jumping. Hello? Hello? Can I don't know what to give you. Can I bring you, like, food or something? I will find something to bring you. Can I just... Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, I regret doing that. I'm sorry, that was rude of me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know how I'm gonna get back up. Oh. Not me hitting the incorrect buttons. Slugging it up. I need food. Oh. Pop. Stunned into oblivion. That's fine. Oh, I want that? I don't know if I can jump and get that, though. That seems like I am not able to do that. Nope. That did nothing for me. There, guys, I'm noticing there's not a lot of food in the garbage wastes. Perhaps because it is garbage waste. I'm just ignoring my little friend. Oh, fine. I'll follow my little friend because that feels more important that I have food so that way when I sleep I can save. I'm coming. That's fine. Oh, half the day is gone. Swimmy, swimmy, swimmy. I'm very wiggly in the water. I will go this way. Was I here earlier? I wonder if I can grab that thing. I feel like I should be able to. Is this not the start of the garbage waste? Oh, that's a lot of leeches on me. Are they eating the leeches? How did they yoink at me? I did go back to the start. Okay. But did I? No. I've never been here before. I'm gonna open this. That way it's just open. But I need to find food. No, let me back. Open the gates. Surrender. I wanted to explore there more, but okay. Drainage system. I'm back here. There we go. Got you. New arenas unlocked. I don't know what that means. Can I eat you? Oh, I'm glitched. You know what? I'm gonna head back. And even though it will not save, because I am underfed, it will at least be the start of a fresh day. Which makes me feel better. Open sesame. Can I not go back? Well, that doesn't feel great that I can't go back, question mark? Oh wait, I'm staring at some blueberries, right? This doesn't feel super awesome. Okay, a little air pocket there, that's nice. What? But was that not air? Was that not air? Why did I drown? Was there something holding on to me that drowned me? I'm very confused. Well, regardless, I wanted to continue exploring this way. I want to grab you. Okay, I just can't grab you, which makes me upset. I feel like I should be able to interact with you more. I'll go down again. No, I'll go up. I feel up. I feel up is more exciting. No. Can I go like up, up? No, stop it. Okay. I can't go up, so I will go down. Because I'm just back in here. Oh, but food's that way. I'll go towards food. I feel like these little, like, fish stalks are friendly. I feel like they will eat the leeches. They will free me from leech. Are there paths down here? He just pointed down at something. Oh, no. Do not yoink me. I've built a path up, question mark? Okay. No, that is a wall. I don't like that that thing was wiggling at me. Well, this is a bad place with bad vibes. That was not pleasant energy. I have once again entered the bad place with bad vibes. Oh god, this is bad. No. No. Slowly die. Okay. I drown. Drag me to the bottom. Guys, I'm starting to not like the drainage system that much. Or not the garbage wastes that much. This is not, I'm not having a great time here. It's hard to navigate. Actually, I wonder. Oh. That's fine. Ugh. Ugh. It's... I got it to work. 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 But at least for the most part, we'll see if it doesn't, if there's any issues. But I got my controller to work, so hopefully I don't break my wrist now trying to jump around. Eee! Oh, jumping can wander. I am the happiest boy in the whole wide world. I would like this stick. Okay, okay, okay. my... You took my stick! They're thieves! They're thieving jerks. Is this the control that I want? Okay. What? What? No, no, drop it, drop it, drop it. Okay, I don't know how to throw things on the controller. Okay. So X is pick up. That is throw. And I will figure out how to eat in a second. Splish, splish, splish. Yes, I have to go to the bat. Wasn't there a stick, or did I took my stick with me. I think there are sticks. Okay, excellent, 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 excellent. Oh. Guys, this is so much easier on a controller than on a keyboard that I can't change the key bindings of. Holy crap. The quality of life. It's bananas. Wait, I want that bat. Come back, bat. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. No, I have to figure out how to eat you. Okay, if I hold that button. Okay. Sorry, because the controls you see the bindings you see right here are not the bindings of my controller. It lies to me. But, oh, don't get drowned. Okay, double jumping is still hard, but I think that's because I'm just bad at it rather than, it being an issue of location. Oh. This is so exciting. This is so much easier. Bugs, 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 bugs. Come here, I want to eat you. No, come here, I want to eat you. Why do you crawl around in the overworld? I'm coming. Never mind. A pole plant, fear. Oh, I don't know how to get up and around you. Excellent. I've eaten two. I wonder if I throw some crackles at it. Everyone wish me luck. That did nothing. I just made it angry. That's fine. I will have a I will have a healthy respect of that. Oh, friends. Hi, friends. Hi, can I give you a gift? How do I Oh, they're gone already. Where did they go? Hi, you're back. Will you kill the pole plant? No, you're just going on a mysterious journey. How did I do this jump so well that one time? I'm so afraid that you're all just... You know what this is? Homophobic. I would like to find a stick. Or I can just do that. Hi, friend who is watching me. Okay, I think I have to do a big jump. No, I literally held down the button. Ah! Screaming, crying, throwing up. Huh. This is the Rain World content you want to see. I did it. Okay, I go up. I want to investigate over here. Hello, there's many of you. Are we friends? You look different than the other guys. No, I think you're just slightly different. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bonk you. I'm sorry? Oh, hello. Oh, you're just hanging out down there. Okay, I'm sorry.